Now, we were talking about a trust where you put your home into the trust a few minutes ago. Can you elaborate on that a little bit more? How does it really protect the home?
So, to start out with, we will deed the house over into this trust. The trust is controlled by a trustee, and the trustee is someone that you nominate. It can be yourself. It can be a friend. It can be a professional trustee like a bank or a CPA or an attorney. So it's whoever you feel confident will abide by the rules that you put in place in your trust. So we're not necessarily always talking about a bank or something along those lines. You can maintain control.
Daniel, is a trustee similar to the term executor or not?
It kind of is. The executor is the person who administers your estate after you pass away. The trustee administers the trust just when there's assets in the trust, before you pass away or after you pass away.
And during this period of time, if a person put their home in this trust and for some reason incurred some significant liability, would the home still be protected?
Right, the house would still be protected even if we're not talking about long-term care costs or something along those lines. It can protect against debts that we don't know about yet as long as we move the house into the trust before the debt comes up. And so this asset protection trust can protect the house from any sort of debt that comes up down the road.
And is this just for real wealthy people? I mean, I don't think our viewers realize that these are tools that aren't that expensive to use and can give a lot of protection to what you worked so hard for all your life.
Right, that's correct. The trusts, over the course of a plan, a trust plan can often be much cheaper than a different type of plan, like a will plan, or just not having anything in place at all. Between the cost of multiple probates, the cost of long-term care, a trust plan can be significantly much more inexpensive. And so that's something that you definitely want to consider when you're putting a plan in place. Not the upfront expense, but the cost over the lifetime.